Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I'm gonna make pork chop. It's a great combination. We have some salad left, some pita bread, and I just bought this bread from the market. And I have some pork chop, delicious. I want to show you a simple marination. Ginger, garlic, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, and some soy sauce, sesame oil, of course. You got it so far? A pinch of black pepper or white pepper, some sake, we can give them a quick mix. And then I got this beautiful pork chop. Oh, I love pork chop. Actually, this pork chop is pretty lean. So we're just gonna put the pork chop in here. We're gonna marinate the pork chop for 15 minutes. See, the hoisin sauce and the oyster sauce, they have a nice glaze. Will help to marinate the pork chop. Nice and delicious. It's called butterfly pork chop. So we have nice, beautiful protein, some nice bread, and some salad. Actually, the salad is my leftover lunch. I was lunch with my cousin today. It's a leftover stuff. So, okay, we're gonna let the marinate for like, 15-20 minutes. Good. Just leave it out in the room temperature. It's okay. Medium high heat. Just a little bit sesame oil add in. Sesame have a very nice flavor. And the pork chop, they already have some fat around the pork. So this is good enough. We want the pork chop to be brown and cook through inside. And there's some extra sauce. Don't waste it. Put it in like this. Now we start cooking. The heat cannot be too hot, okay? Medium. You want to cook at least a few minutes on each side. Here we go. The pork chop is cooking. And guess what I found in the fridge? Leftover bell pepper. Yeah! Probably from the salad a couple days ago. We got nice flavor, marination. Those sauce will cook the bell pepper really good. So we're gonna take a look. Still good. I like to cook through my temperature in the pork chop about 145 degrees and let them rest. That'll be nice and tender. We want this side to be brown. Good. I would say about a few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. That depends, okay? But we don't want the heat too high. If the heat too high, it brown and burns so fast because you got soy sauce and all the beautiful brown glaze sauce, hoisin sauce, and the oyster sauce. Yeah, start getting brown now. Oh yeah, bell pepper. I put it this side, you can see it. Actually, bell pepper can give the pork chop a little flavor too. You see? That's about cooking. Let's see. That's beautiful. Turn around. Flip it. Oh yeah. And now, I got this baby. Temperature thermometer. 145, then I stop. That's easy cooking, right? Nice and simple and easy. Now it's 1:12. They go pretty fast. Sometimes you surprise you find something in the fridge. This bell pepper go really good with this pork chop. I'm sure you can tell. Beautiful pork chop. Let them cook. Okay, now it's done. We're gonna turn it off. And then we're gonna take the pork chop out and let them rest for a good 15 to 20 minutes before you cut into it. Oh boy, look at this pork chop. Oh, you need a sharp knife. Oh, look at that. Ah, oh, nice and juicy. Look at all the juice. They give you a really nice bite. There's a pork chop. Wow, wow, so delicious. Go really good with the bread. Mmm. This is Asian marinated pork chop. The bell pepper go really good. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Delicious.